Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Go beyond mere forms in what you are in remembrance of. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Be aware of the potency of light and sound. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Don't engage in mere occultism, but open yourself to being witnessed. Nothing exists except as a result of divine power. We should manifest in our limited and fragmented ways divine qualities and serve as a reminder. The world is not illusion, but a temporary thing which is misused and misassociated with. Identify with your potential. Theory must be practical and based on evidence. Remote viewing can be made possible to teach a spiritual lesson. Guru Kanam is said to be the highest planet. Material existence is as the smallest fragment, and spiritual existence is the rest. Animals could be thought of in familial terms. Be willing to sacrifice everything material to maintain spiritual life. We may forgive, but that doesn't mean God has. Be prepared to treat all others with the respect of oneself and to desire the property of others like garbage that you want to leave. Now, if people are giving you permission to sit somewhere or to use their things, that's a different story. But, without permission, don't covet all that. Hari means absolute, green, yellow, shine, potency, abiding, rise. Now, just like with the next two, we do not have to think of these in material terms, but the material terms are the reflection of the other terms. Krishna is light, darkening, attraction, black, blue. Rama is pleasing, sound, delight, dark, lovely, or charm. Charm is in influence, awe, that sort of thing. Democracy is almost only a claim. I mean, how many countries actually have democracy? Constitutional Republic, Iran. Constitutional Republic, America. And various other states that basically have constitutional republics. Spouses are not allowed free mixing of the sexes. The body relies on the mind, which relies on the soul. The governing class of society is supposed to do work other than be in charge. They are to arrange for all to have appropriate work and other ability for being provided for. The government should not dictate war, but the government leaders should be willing to go out for war themselves. Eat, drink, and act as a divine offering. Justice is not in delay or in leaders or groups. acting out and calling for their desires to be fulfilled. Certainly your desires can coincide with justice, but they're different things, right? Success in dying and spiritual remembrance. Success is in dying with spiritual remembrance, and for this we practice. Do not deny the accomplishments and positions of those you preach to, but use them to preach to people of greater. Our familial lineage should not be supported in ignorance and wickedness, and whether by dismissing it or saying something or even changing things with our physical, speaking's physical, but you know what I mean. That is how we would support our families. Many methods of happiness are overall less so. Pursue your joy as more than an extension of selfishness. Be careful what you wish for that can increase the chance of it happening. Spouses and other relationships should act in the way that is right towards each other, regardless of perceived consequences. And as far as my currently favorite verse of chapter 53, Sruti viprate pannate yadasasyate nischala samadhav achala buddhis tada yogam avapsyase. When your mind is no longer disturbed by the flowery language of the Vedas, and when it remains fixed in the trance of self-realization, then you will have attained the divine consciousness. It's not that we can't get moved by the spiritual, by whatever scripture, but certainly not disturbed or distracted that, the word is it. We're supposed to do something with it. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.